Hi, and thank you for being here for the Hedge Invest Numen Credit Fund monthly update for the month of April. April was quite interesting month, very volatile. We had a pretty good performance. We were up around 1.5%. Vast majority of the gains came from some macro plays, predominantly Argentina, which is very successfully progressing on their restructuring plan, and on which we remain very positive. And then secondly, some special situations like Telecom Italia, where we still very much like the company after the sale of Netco, the introduction of Poste Italiane on the shareholder structure. We still expect a decent amount of upside and lots of positive catalysts. We still view the stock target for us as a minimum fair value close to the 50 cents on the euro. Away from that, obviously, the macro scene was turbulent, to say the least. We were quite active in our opportunistic trading. We deployed several strategies, initially with short-term puts and shorts into the inauguration day, which we then removed to profit, maybe a bit too early at the beginning, but then we played around again the volatility, thinking that eventually the administration has been just negotiating very aggressively in a very unorthodox, different way, but possibly successfully by the end of it. Although we do think that recession and slowdown in the growth picture will be there. We don't know how much, but we'll find out in the next few months. Overall, long term, our view remain absolutely the same, as in now there will be some slowdown, some lack of consumption on a few sectors because of tariffs. Then rates will go down, fixing will be supported, but then obviously Congress will drive the scene and drive the asset pricing with the new legislation about the tax cuts. Depending on what happened there, we could see a very smooth summer, or we could see other situation, and Liz Truss moments could not be unthinkable in that context. Away from that, as we exit the summer, we still think we're gonna start noticing the AI deflationary wave, and we do expect that to build in strength and eventually bring interest rate much lower than where they're now as we progress into 2026. So we remain very cautious, very careful. We try to have a decent amount of liquidity, as we think there's still going to be lots of volatility both from the macro and the corporate side. Thank you.